Good evening, sir.
So today we are going to work on WH questions. Today we are going to work on WH questions. The day before yesterday we talked about all a few WH questions, including who. Then we talked about when. We talked about where. We talked about how. Now today we are going to work on why questions and answers. Today we are going to work on why questions and answers. Why questions and answers. All right. So this is a bit tough question. This is a bit tough question. Just repeat after me. Ronak, repeat after me. Why do you write? Ronak, repeat after me. Why do you write?
I write to good.
Why do you write?
I write to get good marks.
I write to get good marks.
Why did you write?
Why did you write?
I wrote to get good marks.
I wrote to get good marks.
Why will you write?
Why will you write?
I will write to get good marks.
I will write to get good marks.
So now we are going to use this all A, B, C, D, E questions and answers. Okay. Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write for getting good marks.
I write for getting good marks.
Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write to get good marks.
I write to get good marks.
Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write because I need good marks.
I write because I need good marks.
Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write the reason is that
I write the reason is that
I need good marks.
I need good marks.
Now उलट करायचं याच्यापेक्षा आता तुम्हाला you need to just vice versa of this because and the reason is that. So then we can make so and therefore answers. Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I need good marks.
I need good marks.
So I write.
So I write.
I need good marks.
I need good marks.
Therefore I write.
Therefore I write.
Got it? So in this way we can use for, to, because, the reason is that, and so and therefore. All right. Just Aman, repeat after me. Why did you study? Okay, so Ati Kadam, repeat after me. Why did you study?
Did you study?
I studied for getting the job.
I studied getting the job.
I studied
I studied
for getting the job.
for getting the job.
Why did you study?
Why did you study?
I studied to get the job.
I studied to get the job.
Why did you study?
Why did you study?
I studied because
I studied because
I want a job.
I want a job.
Why did you study?
Why did you study?
I studied, the reason is that
I studied, the reason is that
I wanted a job.
I wanted a job.
Why did you study?
Why did you study?
I wanted a job.
I wanted a job.
So I study.
So I study.
Why did you study?
Why did you study?
I wanted a job.
I wanted a job.
Therefore, I studied.
Therefore, I studied.
But in this way, we can make a lot of questions and answers of why questions and answers. All right, now future. Sarlaji, repeat after me. Sarlaji. Why? Why will you learn English? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Okay, why will you invest? Why will you invest?
Why will you invest?
I will invest for getting more money.
I will invest for getting money.
I will invest
I will invest
for getting more money.
for getting more money.
Why will you invest?
I will be invest.
Why will you invest?
I will be invest.
माझ्या नंतर बोला. Why will you invest?
Why will you invest?
I will invest
I will invest
with more money
with your money
to get more money.
to get more money.
Why will you invest?
Why will we invest?
I will invest
I will invest
because
because
I need more money.
I need your money.
I need more money.
I need more money.
Why will you invest?
Why will you invest?
I will invest. The reason is that
I will invest. Its reason is that
I need more money.
I need more money.
I need more money,
I need more money,
so I will invest.
so I will invest.
I need more money,
I need more money,
therefore I will invest.
therefore I will invest.
Okay, in this way, we are going to work on why questions and answers. Please write down these answers because answers are important. Write down, everybody. Write down these answers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why do you study? I study for getting a job. I study for getting a job. Why do you study? Write
Sir,
down, quick. Why do you study? I study for getting a job. Write down the answers, Aman. Why do you study? I study for getting a job. Done. First answer. Write down now second number. Why do you? I study to get good marks. It means with for you have to add verb ing, and with to you have to add verb first form. All right. Why do you study? I study for getting job. First answer. I study to get job. Second answer. Now third answer.
Second answer, repeat.
I study to get
Good marks.
good marks. Okay, fine, no problem. I study for getting good marks. I study to get good marks. Second answer. I study to get good marks. Now third answer. I study because I want to get good marks. I study because I want to get good marks. I want to get good marks. I study because I want to get good marks. Okay, done. Now same in the next answer. Fourth answer. Fourth answer. I study, the reason is that I study, the reason is that I want to get good marks.
I study.
The reason is that I want to get good marks.
I want to
Get good marks. आता याच्या उलट करायचंय तुम्हाला. I want to get good marks.
I study.
I want to get good marks, so I study. I want to get good marks, so I study. Okay. I want to get good marks, therefore I study. I want to get good marks, therefore I study.
sir, so I studied आएगा ना?
I want to get good marks, so I study. This is simple present tense we are talking about.
I want get 2 good marks, so I study. Yes, sir.
Last now. I want to get good marks, therefore I study. I want to get good marks, therefore I study. Got it?
Therefore,
F-O-R-E. T-H-E-R-E F-O-R-E. Therefore I study. All right?
6 is the answer, na?
Now one more answer. Write down one more answer. Why did you get a job? Why did you get a job?
get a job.
Yeah, why did you get a job? First answer. I got a job.
I got a job
for making money.
For making money. M-O-N-E-Y ना sir?
हाँ बरोबर. I got a job. Second answer. I got a job
I got a job
to make money. I got a job to make money.
to make money.
Third answer now. Third answer. I cracked the interview. Sorry. Third answer is that I got a job
I got a job
because I cracked the interview.
because I
cracked the interview.
correct. Sir, C-A-R-A-T-C na?
C-R-A-C-K-E-D. C-R-A-C-K-E-D.
Correct.
Interview, I-N-T-E-R-V-I-E-W.
I got a job because I cracked
the interview.
the interview.
Okay. Fourth answer now. I got the job. The reason is that I got the job. The reason is that I cracked the interview. I cracked the interview.
So
Okay.
पुन्हा सांगा एकदा. I got a job.
I got a job. I got a job. The reason is that. The reason is that.
The
The
reason
reason is that
that
I cracked the interview.
C-R-A-C-K-E-D. I cracked
The interview. Same answers. Only we are changing the for to because the reason is that. Okay. Now next fifth answer. I cracked the interview. I cracked the interview. वरचंच उचलून खाली लिहा. I cracked the interview. I
So,
cracked the interview. So I got the job. I cracked the interview. So I got the job. I cracked the interview. So I got the job. I cracked the interview. Therefore, I got the job.
6 na sir?
Now last. I cracked the interview. Therefore, I got the job.
Interview.
Therefore, I got the job.
Therefore I
सर आपने लास्ट क्या बोला?
I got a job.
got the job.
सर
Yes,
आपने
got the
सिक्स्थ
job.
वाला क्या बोला था?
I cracked the interview. Therefore, I got the job.
उसके आगे ही भी कुछ बोला क्या सर?
नहीं कुछ नहीं बोला आगे. All right. Now one more question we will learn. Why will you start a business? Why will you start a business? Why will you start a business?
Why will you start
Start a business.
start a business?
Okay. I will start a business for making money. I will start a business for making money. I will start a business for making money.
M-O-N-E-Y ना sir?
Exactly.
Yes sir.
मनीचं स्पेलिंग लक्षात नक्की ठेवा. फार महत्त्वाचा शब्द आहे सगळीकडे.
Yes sir.
Okay. I will start a business to make money. I will start a business to make money. M-O-N-E-Y. I will start a business to make money.
So means when we are using for
पैसा कमाने के लिए
We
मैं
have to
बिजनेस
use-
स्टार्ट करता हूँ.
I will
करूंगा.
start.
sir means when we are using ma'am sir means when we are using the for we have to use third form.
See,
Sorry,
when you
fifth
are
form.
using for, then you have to use verb ing for making money. And when you are using to, then you have to use first form to make money. To make money. Got it?
Sir, I will start second. I will start a business.
Okay, I will repeat from first. Why will you start a business? I will start a business for making money.
Okay.
I will start a business to make money. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
third answer. Third answer. I will start a business because I will start a business because
Sir.
I will make a lot of money from the business.
I will make a lot.
A lot of money from the business. I will start a business because I will make a lot of money from the business. Or from it, you can use. I will make a lot of business from it. Okay. Now, fourth answer. I will start a business. I will start a business. The reason is that I will make a lot of money. I will make a lot of money from the business. I will make a lot of money from the business. Okay. Now, fifth answer.
1 minute, sir.
I will start a business. The reason is that I will make a lot of money from the business. Okay. Now, fifth answer. I will make a lot of business. I will make a lot of money from the business.
I will, sir. I will
Make a lot of money.
make
I will make a lot of money from the business. From the business. So I will start a business. So I will start a business.
I will make a lot of money from the business.
So I will start a business.
So I will
Start a business. All right. Now last. I will make a lot of money from the business. I will make a lot of money from the business. Therefore, I will start a business.
I will not, na, sir.
I will make
I will make
a lot of money from the business. So I will start a business. Karan, turn on your video. Video chalu kara, Karan.
Sir, therefore I can.
Careful.
I will make a lot of money. Therefore, I will start a business. I will make a lot of money. Therefore, I will start a business. This was the last answer. All right. So you need to answer. You need to answer all these questions, and you have to prepare your own questions and answer list. Your own questions and answer list. And we are going to work these all questions and answers in tests also. All right. Now our next question is how many questions and answers. Our next question is how many questions and answers. All right. So how many letters do you write? I write 2 letters. All right. Repeat after me. Avedna, repeat after me. How many letters do you write?
How many letters do you write?
I write 2 letters.
I write 2 letters.
How many letters do you write?
How many letters do you write?
I write 3 letters.
I write 3 letters.
I write many letters.
I write many letters.
I write a few letters.
I write a few letters.
I write a lot of letters.
I write a lot of letters.
I write a plenty of letters.
I write a plenty of letters.
I write some letters.
I write some letters.
I write enough letters.
I write enough letter.
I write no letters.
I write no letter.
I write a number of letters.
I write a number of letters.
In this way. All right. Can you answer me now? Avedna, answer me.
Okay.
5 answers. You are giving me minimum 5 answers. Okay. You are giving me all the answers. Okay. How many mobiles do you have?
I have 2 mobiles. आणखीन सर पुढचं पण बोलायचं.
I have 2 mobiles. I have 3 mobiles. Start.
I have 2 mobiles. I have a lot of mobiles.
I have a lot of is wrong. I have a lot of mobiles.
I have a lot of mobiles. I have enough mobile.
No, start from 2 to a number of. I have 2 mobiles. I have 3 mobiles. I have 4 mobiles. I have many mobiles. Okay, start.
I have 2 mobiles. I have 3 mobiles. I have 4 mobiles. I have many mobiles. I have a few mobiles. I have lot of mobile. I have plenty.
I have a lot of mobiles. Yes, is there plural? It is plural, you know.
I have a lot of mobiles. I have plenty of mobiles. I have some mobiles. I have enough mobiles. I have no mobiles. I have a number mobiles.
Number of mobiles. Shipraji. How many questions do you ask?
Okay.
I
I
ask.
asked 2 questions.
Start from
Okay. I asked a questions. I asked 2
I
questions.
ask a question that is singular, and then afterwards it is plural. Everywhere it
Question.
is plural.
I asked a question. I asked 2 questions. I asked 3 questions. I asked 4 questions. I asked many questions. I asked a few questions. I asked a lot of questions. I asked a plenty of questions. I asked some questions. I asked enough questions. I asked no question. I asked a number of questions.
Very good. Good job. Swati ji, how many toys do you collect? Did you collect? Simple past tense now. How many toys did you collect? I collected a toy. Start.
I collected a toy. I collected 2 toys. I collected 3 toys. I collected 4 toys. I collected many toys. I collected a few toys. I collected a lot of toys. I collected a lot of toys. I collected some toys. I collected enough toys. I collected no toys. I collected a number of toys.
Okay, very good. Good job. Ronak, how many trees do you plant? Sorry, how many trees will you plant? Simple future tense. How many trees will you plant?
I will you plant a
I
tree.
will plant a tree.
I will plant a tree. I will to plant.
I will plant 2 trees. Simple.
I will plant 2 trees. I will plant 3 trees. I will plant 4 trees. I will plant many trees. I will plant a few trees. I will plant a lot of trees. I will plant a plenty trees of. Hi, sir.
Plenty of.
Plenty of. I will plant some trees. I will plant enough trees. I will plant no trees. I will plant a number of trees.
Okay. Yeah. So Sunita ji, how many papers did you burn? How many papers did you burn?
I have a.
How many papers did you burn? I burnt a paper. Start.
Okay. I burned a paper. I burned 2 papers. 2 paper. I burned 3 paper. I burned 4
Paper,
paper.
not papers. You know,
Papers.
it is plural.
Okay. I burned 4 papers. I burned many papers. I burned a few papers. I burned a lot of papers. I burned a plenty of papers. I burned some of papers. I burned enough of papers. I burned no papers. I burned a number of papers.
Okay, Karan Kadam. How many runs do you make? I make a run. Start.
I make a run. I make 2 run. I make 3 run. I make 4 runs.
2 run is wrong. 2 runs, 3 runs, 4 runs, many runs. Start. I make 2 runs.
I make 2 runs. I make 3 runs. I make 4 runs. I make many runs. I make a few runs.
Run is wrong. I make many runs, a few runs, a lot of runs.
runs. I make a lot of runs. I make a plenty of runs. I make some runs. Runs.
Run
I
wrong, runs.
runs. I make enough runs. I make no run. I make a number of runs.
Okay, very good. Yuvraj ji.
बोला.
Okay. How many lessons do you study? I study 3 lessons.
I study 2 lessons.
I study a lesson. Start.
I study a lesson. I study a lesson. I study a 2 lesson. I study a 3 lessons. I study a 4 lessons. I study a many lessons.
यायला लागले मध्ये मध्ये. युवराज जी, I study a 4 lessons. I study a 3 lessons. येतंय ते काढून टाका. I study 2 lessons.
I study 2 lessons. I study 3 lessons.
नाही, lessons.
हो, lessons म्हणतोय सर.
मग बरोबर आहे. मग मी चुकलो.
Sorry.
I study 2 lessons. Start.
I study 2 lessons. I study 3 lessons. I study 4 lessons. I study many lessons. I study a few lessons. I study a lot of lessons. I study a plenty of lessons. I study a sum of lessons. I study a enough lessons. I study a no lessons. I study a number of lessons.
Very good. Good job. Shipra ji. How many employees do you hire? How many employees do you hire for your company?
Okay, sir. I hire an employee. An employee. Okay. I hire an employee. I hire 2 employees. I hire 3 employees. I hire 4 employees. I hire many employees. I hire a few employees. I hire a lot of employees. I hire a plenty of employees. I hire some employees. I hire enough employees. I hire no employee. I hire a number of employees.
Very good. Very good. Sarla Shinde.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many sentences do you write? I write a sentence. बोला.
Write a sentences.
शांतपणे. I write a sentence. बोला.
I write a sentence. I write 2 sentences. I write
बरोबर अनेक वचन येणार. 2 sentences. सर्वांच्या बरोबर अनेक वचन येणार आता. 2 sentences, 3 sentences, 4 sentences सर्व.
I write 2 sentences. I write 3 sentences. I write 4 sentences. I write many sentences. I write a few sentences. I write a lot of sentences. I write a plenty of sentences. I write some sentences. I write enough sentences. I write no sentences.
मध्ये मध्ये यायला लागलंय. I write enough sentences.
I write enough sentences. I write no sentences. I write a number of sentences.
Very good. Nachiket. How many emails do you check? How many emails do you check?
I check a email.
email बरोबर आहे.
I check a mail.
mail बरोबर आहे. An email. I check an email.
I check an email. I check 2 emails. I check 3 emails. I check 4 mails. I check many emails. I check a few mails. I check a lot of mails. I check a plenty of mails. I check some mails. I check enough mails. I check no mails. I check a number of mails.
Ronak, how many messages do you send?
I send a message. I send 2 messages. I send 3 messages. I send 4 messages. I send many messages. I send a few messages. I send a lot of messages. I send a plenty of messages. I send some messages. I send enough messages. I send no messages. I send a number of messages.
Okay, Aman, how many plants do you grow in the garden? Aman, Pooja ko. Aman. Amanji? Okay, fine. All right. I think everybody is done. Now we'll go for.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, Ganesh. Where is Ganesh? Yeah, Ganesh. How many plants do you grow in the garden? How many plants do you grow? How many plants do you grow? I grow a plant. Now start. We are unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. I grow a plant.
I grow a plant. I grow 2 plants. I grow 3 plants. I grow 4 plants. I grow many plants. I grow a few plants. I grow a lot of plants. I grow a plenty of plants. I grow some plants. I grow enough plants. I grow no plants. I grow a number of plants.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Aman. I think Aman is not there. All right. So everybody understood how many questions and answers? Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go for how much question. Okay.
Sir,
And
we will use plural or singular with no.
no, it is in how many it is singular, and in how much, in how many it is plural, and in how much it is singular.
नहीं, अगर no है sentence में तो no के साथ
If
plural use
countable
करना है,
noun is, if countable noun is at the beginning of no, then we will use singular. If the countable noun, uncountable noun is after, sorry, if uncountable noun is after no, then we will use singular. And if the countable noun is after no, then we will use plural. Got it?
Miss,
I have no books. That is countable nouns. Book is a countable noun. But I have no money. So money is uncountable noun. Got it?
Okay.
How much water do you drink? I drink a little water. Repeat after me, Shipraji.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sarlaji, repeat after me. Sarlaji. How much water do you drink? सरलाजी मायानंतर बोलायचं आहे. अनम्यूट करा आणि बोला. How much water do you drink? बोला. अनम्यूट करा. अनम्यूट
केलं ना सर.
Okay. How much water do you drink?
How much water do you drink?
I drink a little water.
I drink a little later.
I drink much water.
I drink much water.
I drink a lot of water.
I drink a lot of water.
I drink a plenty of water.
I drink plenty of water.
I drink some water.
I drink some water.
I drink enough water.
I drink enough water.
I drink no water.
I drink no water.
Okay, answer me, Shipraji now. How much
Sir,
water
may
did
I,
you
Aman?
drink? Yeah, Amar, you were not there in the class. Where were you?
Sir, I was left by an issue.
Okay, fine, no problem, no problem. Shipraji, answer me. How much water did you drink?
Okay. I drank much water. I drank a little. Okay, sir. I drank much water. I drank a little water. I drank a lot of water. I drank a plenty of water. I drank some water. I drank enough water. I drank no water.
Okay. Aman, how much money, how much amount do you invest? Ganesh, answer me. How much amount do you invest?
Sir, एक answer सांगा sir please.
Okay, I invest much amount.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. मैं बोलता हूँ, sir.
Yes. How much amount do you invest? Aman.
Yes, sir. I invest much. Sir, can you repeat your question?
I invest much amount.
Yes, sir. I invest much amount. I invest a little amount. I invest a lot of amount. I invest a plenty of amount. I invest some amount. I invest enough amount. I invest no amount.
Okay, very good. Very good. How much? Yeah, who is? Okay, Ganesh. Okay. How much milk do you drink? I drink much, sorry. I drink much milk.
Okay. I drink much milk. I drink a little
milk.
I drink a lot of milk. I drink a plenty of milk. I drink some milk. I drink enough milk. I drink no milk. No
Okay,
milk.
Sunita, how much
Milk.
what? How much petrol do you? How much petrol do you use?
I use petrol. I use much petrol. I use a little petrol. I use a lot of petrol. I use plenty of petrol. I use some. I use some of
Some
petrol.
petrol.
Some petrol. I use enough petrol. I use no petrol.
Okay, Yuvraj, how much money do you save? How much money do you save?
The money save the
I save much money.
I save much money. I save a little money. I save a lot of money. I save a plenty of money. I save some money. I save enough money. I save no money.
Very good. Good job. Good job.
Sir, please me again.
Nachiket. Ganesh.
Okay, sir.
Ganesh. How much? Are Ganesh, you are done. How much ice cream do you eat? How much ice cream do you eat? I eat much ice cream.
Okay, sir. Sir, his.
I eat much ice cream. Start.
I eat much ice creams. I eat a little ice creams. I eat a lot of ice cream. I eat plenty of ice cream. I lit some ice cream. I lit enough ice cream. I lit no ice cream.
This is not a listening class. It is a speaking class. Everybody is answering me. Everybody is answering me. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nachiket. How
Okay.
much blood? How much energy? How much energy do you have?
I have much energy. I have a little energy. I have a lot of energy. I have a plenty of energy. I have some energy. I have enough energy. I have no energy. I have a number of energy.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Avedna,
Yes, sir.
how much bill do you pay? How much bill do you pay?
I pay first can answer.
I pay much bill.
I pay much bill. I pay a little bill. I pay a lot of bill. I pay a plenty of bill. I pay a some bill. I pay a enough bill. I pay a no bill.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Karan Kadam,
Yes, sir.
how much water do you waste? How much water do you waste? I waste much water.
I waste much water. I waste a little water. I waste a lot of water. I waste plenty of water. I waste some water. I waste enough water. I waste no water.
Very good job. All right. So Amol Bhagat. Amol. All right, fine. So is
Sir,
it
मैंने नहीं बोला.
Ronak.
Swati,
How much? Okay. How much ice? How much ice do you throw? How much do you throw? I throw much ice.
I throw much ice. I throw a little ice. I throw a lot of ice. I throw a plenty of ice. I throw some ice. I throw enough ice. I throw no ice.
Swati,
Got it, Swati. How much electricity do you waste?
I waste much electricity. I waste a little electricity. I waste a lot of electricity. I waste plenty of electricity. I waste some of electricity. I waste enough electricity. I waste no electricity.
Okay, is anybody left? Is everybody done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Tomorrow we are going